Wait, I need an obstacle obliterator in my life. Sign me up.
Don't we all?
Yeah.
The Scrum Master is like a coach helping the team understand the Scrum process, work together effectively, and clear any roadblocks that might pop up.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And then we've got the development team. That's the actual builders, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
And these builders, they aren't just coders.
Oh, it's okay.
It depends on the project. It could be designers, marketers, writers, anyone with the skills to turn that product owner vision into reality.
Okay, so we've got our visionary value officer, our obstacle obliterator, and our amazing team of builders.
Yeah.
But how do they actually, get the work done? Am I picturing, a flurry of blueprints, tiny hammers, maybe some inspirational jazz playing in the background?
You're not far off. Remember those short bursts we talked about?
Yeah.
That's where sprints come in.
Okay.
Think of it like those 2-week renovation shows.
Okay.
But instead of demo day every 2 weeks, you have something you could actually use.
Okay, so instead of one long stressful renovation, it's broken down into manageable chunks.